is gonna be my first taste of kangaroo, and it's coming in a jerky form. Let me.
And as soon as he finishes, he's gonna hop away. This lady is Dorothy.
Hello.
This is my star employee.
Wow, that's the most delicious smoothie I've ever tasted. It's heaven. This is heaven in a cup.
Do you think you could ever call this home? Would you move here?
To Australia?
Yeah, or to Cairns.
To Cairns. Never resist a free food offering. I'm gonna tell him the real, I'm gonna give him the real reaction. Cheers to life. This is one of the most relaxing places to be in.
Are you famous or something?
No.
How you going, bro?
Damn, this guy, amazing,
Yeah,
man,
way.
amazing.
Jabba guy, come to Kuranda.
Definitely, you gotta come to Kuranda. Oh man, Harvey. Oh. Oh no. That's Barren Falls behind me.
What have you sacrificed? Lost in the crowd, fighting to feel found. Became a stranger savior.
Now I am on the sky rail.
Just in time, oh, two worlds collide, paralyzed. Just in time, oh, two worlds collide, paralyzed. Just in time, oh, two worlds collide, paralyzed. But we're strangers, right?
This will be my first walk. The circuit walk. Return to Kuranda village via Jumram Creek Walk, Jungle Walk, River Walk. Approximately 3 kilometers. Allow 1 hour.
We are all running with the lonely duck.
Wow, it's amazing here.
Kicking our feet, routine, but what are we all trying to find out?
Beautiful place.
It's amazing.
Amazing. This is a native mangosteen. Has fragrant flowers, purple, sweet, edible fruits. It grows straight up, few leaves. Let's see if I can spot the edible fruits though. We're about to approach this creek right here.
This will be a beautiful photo.
Look at how the light just reflects off the water.
Yeah, I know.
Look at my camera.
Oh wow.
Wow.
The captures are quite well. Yeah, I know it's hot. Hey Eddie, how's it going? Are you enjoying yourself?
Oh man, I love it here. Like the air here feels, it's so fresh and so crisp.
Get in the shot.
Are we supposed to be?
You know?
Yeah.
I mean, it's just an amazing feeling to be out here. I'm trying to take it all in and just like enjoy all of it, and the nice weather, and then like the pockets of sunshine, and then there are like rivers and the serenity and the nature noise, the animal calls, and it's wonderful. What do you guys think?
Well, do you think, let me ask you a question. Do you think you could ever call this home? Would you move here?
To Australia?
Yeah, or to Cairns?
To Cairns.
It's a big move.
To call it home?
It'd be hard, wouldn't it?
That one, I'm not sure. It's a great place to visit,
Yeah.
but I'm not sure if I could call it home.
It's a big life change, isn't it? Yeah, I totally agree.
But the beautiful thing about, you know, living in this time,
It's Australian winter in the north.
You
No.
came in the best season, to be honest with you. This
we're
is
about
the
to
best
cross the street. I'll continue this conversation when we cross. You can go left and continue on the Kuranda Trail, 1.2 kilometers, and then there's the Barron Gorge National Park. It's a gorgeous day.
There you go, some natural, there you go, fern.
Yeah, natural
Abundance
ferns.
in New Zealand, very abundant. Does this take us
Yeah.
on to Skywalk?
This way.
It will take it all the way back.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Yeah, it will.
Yeah.
You
This
read
is the
it?
jungle walk.
Yeah.
That's part of it.
It's in the map. It's just
okay.
badly drawn.
Okay.
Don't worry, because there's only really one.
Look, it's slightly, it's kind of different a bit here to what I saw over there.
Yeah, I mean, there's different foliage, that's
Yeah,
for sure.
isn't it?
It goes deeper along.
No, closer to the water.
Well, this one is called the jungle walk, so it has more
Yeah.
of a jungle.
We could
It
see
may have more of a jungle
Fungi and
feel.
yeah.
What was the first part of the walk called?
Oh, that's a good question. It'll be on the map. I can't remember actually. It said it.
Berry. This weed, this red berried non-local, gradually shades out all other understory plants. I'm not gonna touch. Don't even scrape your
Yeah, I know.
leg next to it. And this is a termite's nest.
That's right. That sounds right. Yes. Because colour.
Yeah. You know what? I've eaten termites
Really?
in Costa Rica.
Barbecued?
No.
Live?
Yeah, alive.
It didn't. Does it affect you? Can it affect,
No, they're really small.
but they can't affect your stomach.
No, they don't. They're like a good source of protein.
Oh yeah, because they only eat natural stuff. They don't eat carcass or meat or anything. See, it's serrated.
Oh yeah, has a serrated edge.
Yeah. On both sides.
Look how tall this one is.
Yeah.
It's about like 20 feet,
Yeah.
and it has the
Very sharp sides, edges. You can zoom in.
serrated edges.
Yeah, it looks quite sharp.
Yeah. Oh, that's what you were at a sky rail.
Yes, that's it. So we're close.
Yeah. So we're still on the jungle walk.
Yeah.
Check out this old bridge.
Wow.
Or is that a train track?
Oh, we should be able to find crocodiles here.
Oh, you think so?
Should be able to.
I want to see a crocodile.
So badly, I do too.
Oh man.
We're pretty safe up here. They wouldn't be able to climb steps very fast. It just keeps getting better.
It does.
I know people who'd actually swim in that. Not scared of crocodiles. I wouldn't do it. I value my life.
No, I wouldn't swim in it.
No way, I wouldn't.
There's plenty of beautiful places to swim.
This is just not one of them.
Well, it's not. I mean, it wouldn't make for. I wouldn't want to swim in murky water, anyways.
Look, it's actually considered clean because it's just sand or dirt.
Stuck in my head like a melody. Feeling your touch is my remedy. You make me so curious, 'cause you
some amazing grass. Look,
Yeah,
look.
you could you sleep on that, like in a puffy area. You could sleep on it.
Look how wide the leaves are.
Yeah. And just the colour, rich green. Isn't that beautiful?
So I went on this walk, and first I was gonna do it on my own because I actually love just having the solitude. But you know what? I always go with whatever comes my way. And then I met this couple right here.
Hello.
And it was a pleasure to you know, go on this walk with them. And they gave me information about different cities, and it might be vital information for my next trip. We'll see.
Yeah.
But anyways, they're gonna we're gonna part ways right here because they're gonna go on the sky rail, and then I'm gonna continue to walk. But just tell the audience your name and what you thought about this experience.
I'm Mary, and this experience has been amazing. Doing it with Eddie and walking through the forest, it's been incredible. Amazing sounds.
So I'm John, and we just joined Eddie on a nice journey around the river. It was beautiful. It was absolutely natural, and things I've never seen back at home. So the beauty was unbelievable. You have to do it. You have to come and see it. You
Yeah.
won't regret it. Eddie, you've seen it. You could tell the people.
John is a Sydney sider right here, and
I'm Sydney as well.
We're City Slickers.
Yeah.
City Slickers.
Sydney, Australia.
Yeah.
All right, guys.
See you
well,
guys back at home. Give it a try.
yeah. Hey, so a pleasure to meet you guys.
Thanks, Eddie. It was nice
Thank
meeting
you for this time
Eddie.
together,
Thank you.
Thank
and
you.
enjoy the rest of your stay.
You
Thank
too.
you.
All right,
Catch you
we'll
soon.
keep in touch.
Keep in touch.
Okay, bye guys.
See you, man.
See ya. There's the train. And you could take a Kuranda river boat. 20 for adults, 50 for a family, 2 adults, 2 children, 10 for a child. It's cash only for the Kuranda river boat.
Pouring rain all around us, but I feel the fire in your hand that day. My eye. Every day I'll try to find the words to tell you that you're the best part, and I can't stop. I'm caught on a feeling. I'm caught on a feeling for your love, and I can't change the way that I feel about your love. I'm caught on a
Go a little bit in the cup and see what you think. But if you get off the camera, you can try. First
thanks.
hand, dip in the sauce and see what you
Snack
think.
time. Falafel?
Homemade falafel, correct?
Damn. Look at this nice gentleman offering me a sample. I never resist.
Oh, that's a good man.
I never resist a free food offering. I'm gonna tell him the real, I'm gonna give him the real reaction.
He's gonna make it. Gonna get the party mama out effect. This is not gonna get the party. You got the party mama out effect. Your eyes shine. This is how we serve them, buddy, just in case you're curious. Awesome. And this one is for you.
Oh, look at that. That was an amazing falafel.
Kisses on my body, whisper to me softly. I can see the edge and I hope that you
Hong Kong orchids.
for me.
Cairns classic coffee. Viva Dolce. Ooh, wow.
And we also have small packet, and small packet you can buy also.
Look at this guy, whole
ground.
beans too. That's amazing.
And you can, I think you can smell through the bubble in the back.
If Cairns was my last stop, I would totally have gotten it. I had to go to another city. Smells so good. I like this guy right here. I mean, I live in Los Angeles, and Cairns is not my last stop.
Yeah, much to take.
Can you order it online?
Possibly. So we get it from Coffee Works, it's called. So maybe if you look up Coffee Works.
Coffee Works?
That's in Mariba. And they source all the, from all the farms. There's quite a few coffee farms in the Tablelands.
Yeah.
They just distribute it.
Beautiful place right here. Did you order? All right.
Coffee with the ice cream on the side.
Look at this
Good.
beautiful drink she made me. Thank you so much. So I'm gonna try this iced coffee. Wow, that's good. It has a little bit of milk, a little bit of sweetener, and the whipped cream.
She's ready to go swimming.
Cheers to life. This is one of the most relaxing places to be in. You got a delicious iced coffee with locally grown coffee. I'm sitting in this shop with a beautiful ambiance. There's a soap store behind me, and the fragrances just smell so aromatic. It's just divine. And then I'm in the rainforest, and you got this amazing coffee shop. Now this is vacation right here. It was so good because iced coffee is one thing, but to have like this very top quality local coffee from Australia in the iced coffee itself, it's not just a generic coffee. It just, and then because you use good quality.
Yeah, I like it too. When we first opened a year ago, we considered going for a cheaper one because this is quite expensive. But we all loved it so much we couldn't go back to another one.
No way, you could taste the quality.
Yeah,
and the
we
fact
drink
that
it ourselves every day,
Huh?
We drink it ourselves every day, so we want something we like too.
Yeah, it's amazing.
Yeah.
And then the fact that you served it in like a milkshake glass makes it more cold.
Yeah.
It's just delicious the way it was served and everything. Presentation.
Glad
It's
you
one of
liked
the
it.
best iced coffees I've ever had, I have to say. Because like, I love iced Vietnamese coffee because I like the sweet condensed milk.
Oh, yeah.
And I like the strong coffee.
I've never had that, but I've heard of it. Yeah.
So that's why the ice cream was very intriguing to me.
Did
but
you mix it in a little
No,
bit?
I didn't mix it in because because you put the vanilla syrup in it, it was
sweet
enough. And you
Yeah.
put the whipped cream and what did you sprinkle? Cocoa powder?
Yeah.
Yeah, that was enough because the reason why I didn't want it together, I didn't want it to be overly sweet.
Yeah. It does get sweet, but some people like
Yeah.
it like that. They need a sugar.
Now,
hit in the
when you made the
afternoon.
coffee, did you pour espresso shots?
Yeah, it's a double shot.
Double shot.
Yeah. Just over the ice.
Yeah, it's wonderful. What's the name of this place?
It's the butterfly shop. Yeah.
Oh, so it's all together.
Yeah, it's all together.
Okay.
Yeah. So you got the cards?
Yeah, I got a card.
Yeah, and the owners aren't here unfortunately today. They've got a day off together, but it's a
Okay.
husband and a wife team.
Oh, how nice.
Yeah.
Okay.
They're really lovely people to work for.
Okay, thank you.
Are you famous or something?
No. And your
Working
name?
on it. Tina.
Hi, Tina. Eddie?
Nice
My name's
to meet
Eddie.
you.
Pleasure to meet you. Thank you so much.
too. Enjoy your travels.
Okay, you too.
Bye.
Bye.
Stuck in my head like a melody. Feeling your touch is my remedy.
There it is, the butterfly shop.
Cause you gave me a taste, now I'm wanting more. Thinking about when we can't be alone. Cause your loving feels criminal. Places we shouldn't go. When I met you I was stone cold. Wasn't looking for.
Hey, how are you?
Good, good. Yeah,
Nice to meet you.
Talis, bro.
Talis?
Yeah.
Eddie.
Eddie, okay. Yeah, yeah. Where you from?
I'm from Los Angeles.
Los Angeles. Okay, yeah, yeah. Yeah, I'm native aborigine.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's a pleasure to meet you, man.
Yeah. It's, you wanna listen to the tune?
Okay.
Yeah. Right here. Yeah. I just come up this way in the light, bro.
Wow.
Yeah,
Dang, that rhythm?
Yeah.
Oh, with the little tapping?
Yeah.
So good, man. So
Yeah.
good.
I've been doing it for two years now, 3 years.
2 years?
Yeah, been
Damn, man.
playing the didgeridoo for.
The didgeridoo?
Yeah.
How do I learn how to play the didgeridoo?
Well, it's pretty hard how to play it when you first start. You just gotta get used to it and that, and how to blow properly. You gotta have a lot of like breathing. You gotta have a lot of air, and you gotta breathe in and out like you recycle and breathing. So you breathe in, and you blow out. But same time you blowing out, you vibrating your lips same time. So when you same time vibrating your lips, it's encouraged all the air from your lungs go into the didgeridoo. So you suck all the air, then you blow it out like that. Then you make some noise. Then you just move your tongue inside while you're blowing. So when you blow, you make like little noises like from your tongue. So you make some noise and you make different kinds of sounds like animal sounds.
Now, do they sell these like smaller versions so I could take home?
Yeah, bro. You just go down there and look at the didgeridoo down there. So that's where I got it from.
So what I do, I buy this, and I buy I buy that instrument too.
Yeah, if you wanna. Yeah.
One of each.
It's called a bibra. Bibra. We use this to make sounds. Bibra. Yeah. And the other one, they have like a boomerang.
Yeah.
It's like a boomerang. You chuck it.
Yeah.
You chuck it, and we got a wongle. Called a wongle. We clap. It's called clap sticks.
Yeah.
This here called bibra because it makes sounds like this.
Oh, so you need 2 of them. Well, yeah.
Go. Hey.
Wow.
Hey. 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 Go. Hey. 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 Go. Hey. Go. Hey.
Damn. So good, man.
Yeah.
So good.
I was playing this since when I was small, when I first started, so that's how I'm pretty good at it.
Yeah, you're very good at it.
And I love it. Yeah. So.
Oh man, do you play with the group too?
Oh yeah, we shake a leg like dance. We dance like we do gig and that. Now and then, like probably say on the weekends and that. Say, like not during the week, you know, just probably on the weekends like Friday, Saturday. Mainly all the boys they dance up here, so yeah, they dance like lots of times up here.
Dang.
Yeah, so shake a leg. We call it shake a
The
leg.
little dance?
Yeah, we just shake a leg.
Okay.
Yeah.
How about the girls?
Not really. Not
No?
really. It's just a man. It's like a man thing. Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
Now girls can dance, but they can't shake a leg. That is.
Okay,
They do
okay.
different styles. Yeah.
Okay, okay.
That's, what's your name, by the way, bro?
Eddie.
Eddie. Talis.
Yeah, Talis.
Yeah.
Damn, pleasure,
Yeah.
man. Pleasure.
Yep. Thank you for having a talk with me and.
No, it was amazing, man. Look, there it is right here. This guy right here.
How you going, bro?
Damn, this guy. Amazing,
way.
man. Amazing.
Jabba guy, come to Kuranda.
Definitely, you gotta come to Kuranda and like hear the didgeridoo played live like that.
Yeah,
This
yo.
guy gave me the one-on-one personal show. Like,
Yo, wait.
I can't ask for anything more, man.
Yeah, bro, you're right, my brother.
This guy's so cool right here.
Bibra, bibra. Cheers for that, my
cheers,
brother.
man.
You have a good one, eh?
You too.
Yeah, you take care.
All right, take care.
Yeah, my brother.
Thank you, my brother.
Yep.
Wow, man, that was amazing. Welcome to Koala World.
Stuck in my head like a
I mean,
melody.
Koala Garden.
Feeling your touch is my remedy. You make me so curious, cause you gave me a taste, now I'm wanting more. Thinking about when we can't be alone. Cause your loving feels criminal. Places we shouldn't go. When I met you I was stone cold. Wasn't looking for another love. No.
Hi, Harvey. Oh, right here.
This hand, this one is his seat. So we're going to leave it right
Okay,
here.
Harvey.
Thank you. Strong, okay. We're going to keep this arm out here.
Mhm.
I'm going to move that arm around for you when we're ready, okay? So you just stand really still, like a big Alright, big smile. Camera. Just looking at that. Step of ears. We got two there.
Oh, man, Harvey. Thank you, Harvey. How much does Harvey weigh?
He's just over 7.5 kilos.
Alright, bro, we'll go over here. Oh, alright, thank you, Harvey. Thank you. Thanks, buddy. Man, that was so amazing to like hold the koala, like so soft and like such a precious precious animal, you know, precious being. Thanks for watching, guys. Still more to come in Kuranda, including more of the koala gardens, Barren Falls, Sky Rail, and a guided rainforest walk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you on the next one.
We are all running with the lonely.